Child, when I tell you, you want to stick around for this one, won't she do it? Or won't she? Because she gonna do it. She gonna do it every time. Okay, check this out. Alright, so when I tell you guys this is a steal deal like Holyfield, you get 7 briefs, okay, for $1.25. You have nieces, grandchildren, sisters, okay. Listen, you want to get these. These are $1.25. This is a steal deal. Sizes they have. They have size 8, size 7. Wait, hold on, child. Hold on. The numbers is confusing. Okay, I'm looking at this and then looking at that. All right. So these briefs over here. Now, if you get them in a packet, it's 7 briefs, size 8. Okay, I think that's the only size they have at this location, size 8. But if you get them like this, you get 4 girl briefs for $1.25. Now, is whatever floats your boat. Okay, all right, sugar pop. Now, breathable, extra soft. Okay, oh, these feel good. This is a steal deal like no one's business. Okay, really, really good. Now, they also have these. Now, this is really, really cool. I absolutely love this. Women's lounge shorts. Nice. All right, $1.25. Dots, junior men's, blow pop, and they come in 3 different sizes. So they have the medium, the small, the large. Not in that order. Okay, sugar babies, Tootsie Roll, double bubble. Really, really nice. Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely delivering for you and me. You get what I'm saying? Definitely. Listen, you know I'm going to deliver. There's word to the mother. Okay, to the sisters and brothers. Oh, child, she's so fancy. Listen, all right? We're going to jump straight into it and do it. Dollar Tree is okay with me. You see this? 20-piece clamp claws, $1.25. Honey, it's the packaging for me, okay? Now they selling barrettes and stuff like that, okay? Honey, wait, hold on, I ain't finished. Mini joy hair accessories, okay? The little scrunch ties. Chill, you better bring it, okay? What about these? Fancy pantsy mancy. All right, now you get 20 pieces. Each item, 20 pieces. Dollar Tree is delivering. When I tell you Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me, okay? This is the Mini Joy hair accessories, okay? They definitely delivering. Definitely delivering. Okay, look at this. Check them out. 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 These are cute. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, wonderful, magnificent, terrific, okay, blessed type of day. All right, so today we are at Dollar Tree in Union City. I think probably West New York. All right. On 49th Street and Kennedy Boulevard to my Jersey folks, okay? Now we're going to jump into it and do it. Let's go. All right, so first up, Dollar Tree said, listen, you're going to get organized this year, okay? These baskets, these are really, really cute. They come in different colors. They have the green. You guys know I'm a green girl, okay? Green, blue, gray, say hey, all right? Really, really nice, fancy, pantsy, mancy. These are $1.25. Now, one of the things I'm going to say is this. There's a store, it's called the Container Store. They have amazing items like storage containers, really, really cool. But you can come to Dollar Tree and pay half the price that you would pay there, okay? Dollar Tree also have these water bottles over here. These are $1.25. The reason I absolutely love these is because they motivate you, okay? 8 a.m. get started. 9 a.m. you're doing great. So 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. you're doing great. 10 a.m. keep chugging, okay? This will really remind you to drink your water. $1.25. And then they have these bottles over here. I absolutely love these. It's the design for me. These come in 3 different colors. They have the blue, they also have the gray and the pink, and these are $1.25. Fancy pantsy mancy. Now, when it comes to Valentine's Day, Dollar Tree said, hey, okay, we have the sweethearts. This is Sweet Pea, Bestie. Let me see. Wink, wink. Oh, I love this. Cutie pie. And they come in different flavors. Okay, so blueberry, they have the orange, the grape, the banana, and the cherry. Really, really cool. $1.25. Now, just in case if you missed all the uploads that I've been uploading, okay, Dollar Tree now has these little glass jars that says love, Valentine's Day theme. Now, when it comes to me, I would still use these all year round, okay, not just for Valentine's Day, because they styling and profiling. They also have these heart-shaped buckets, which are really, really cool. Well, bowls, these are $1.25. Really, really nice. Okay, they also have these buckets over here, $1.25. We have seen a few of these. And what about the Happy Valentine's Day boxes? Okay, gift boxes. These are really, really cute. Gnome you. Okay, honey, how cute is this? Okay, and honey, I absolutely love these. These are cute. Be mine. I sure will. Child, you ain't gotta ask me twice. Okay, multi-piece set. Each box sold separately. Absolutely fancy pantsy mans. Now, if you are looking for St. Patty's Day items, decor, hats, honey, headbands, more decor, gnomes, honey, Dollar Tree said, listen, we deliver, we move our feet to the customer's beat, okay? They also have American Seed specialties. This is really good. 4 for $1.25. Where are you gonna get 4 packets of seeds for $1.25? Honey, I'll wait. I tell you, Dollar Tree. Okay, they also have some knee-high socks. I absolutely love this for St. Patty's Day. Really, really cute. Ooh, these are fancy. Nice. And I absolutely love these necklaces with the shamrock. Really, really cool. You get 2 necklaces for $1.25. Green and gold. Those are my colors. All right, for Easter, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got the beat. We got the heat. Okay, move your feet to the beat. Bunny pom-pom garland. These are $3. The egg garland, those are $3. We seen those table runners. They have $5. And what about the little trees? Okay, these are so cute. The different color trees, these are $1.25. They also have the 6-foot floral egg garland. I absolutely love this because it has like the little eggs on it. Really cute. Metal leaners, $5 with the bunny, the goose, honey. They styling and profiling. Set of 4 egg containers. Okay, so this comes in 2 different colors. They have the pink and the yellow, and this is pretty much how it looks inside. Really, really cool. Different sizes. The bunny decor, $3. Really nice. Solar decor, $3. And what about the tinsel bunnies? These are so nice. I like this, okay, because it's made out of styrofoam. Really, really cool. Creativity is on fleek, the kids say. Okay, 4-foot inflatable, $5. Peeps, multicolor, pink, yellow, and then they also have blue. They also have the tablecloths over here, $3. And then what about the tumblers? These are $5, come in 3 different colors, pink, yellow, and blue. Absolutely steal deal. Oh, no, they didn't. No, they didn't. Look at this. Okay, so the Peeps teddies, these are $3. Those are fancy. They come in, let me see, yellow, pink, and blue. Still deal like Holyfield. And don't forget your Easter baskets for the little ones. They have the Sesame Street, and then they also have the Peeps. Really cool. More Easter decor. Standing bunny, 24-inch decorative, $5. Welcome signs, $5. Honey, lost train of thought for a minute. Okay, what about the tinsel decor? These are $5. Still deal like Holyfield. Honey, fancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have the finger makeup brushes. These are $1.25. This is latex free. If you want to apply your foundation with your finger, but you like, girl, I don't want to get my nails dirty, honey, come to Dollar Tree. They have 2 pieces, $1.25. They also have these here ponytail holders. These are fancy pantsy mancy, 30 pieces. Where you gonna get that from? But Dollar Tree, $1.25. Now let me tell you something. The Clean Beauty lip jelly, absolutely by far recommend. This would be a 10. Okay, really really good. I have this color, honey, still deal like Holyfield. They also have the Clean Beauty satin lipstick. Now I am personally a matte gal, all right, so satin, honey, you could do it if that's what you like, you do it. I like matte because it don't get on your teeth, okay? This is really, really cute. So they have the classic red, they have the nude, and then they also have the classic red, okay? Now, remember what I told you guys? Okay, Dollar Tree definitely is moving their feet to the beat when it comes to this foundation out in these streets, okay? Now, the color I had chose was buff, okay, honey, that is too light for a girl like me, okay? Now these are $1.25. This is a matte foundation, all right? I just need you to know that, okay? Now moving on, like the break of dawn, Dollar Tree is finna Freeman us to death, all right? This is Energized Jelly Mask. They also have the Oatmeal Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. This is the dupe from, honey, you guessed it, Aveeno, all right? They also have these apple and bananas Marcella cleansing water, really really good hydration. This is Urban Hydration, a 10, highly recommend. The Repair Soothing Smoothing Foot Cream, a 10, recommend. Exfoliate and Foot Scrub, a 10, also recommend. Really really nice. Now let me tell you something, it's gonna get you right, okay? The vitamin C and shea butter, honey, delightful, okay? And that smell from the brown sugar and almond, ooh, chill, okay? Hydrate and skincare collection. Now this is compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. When I tell you this normally sells out like nobody's business, sells out like nobody's business. Acne patches, if you have a cold sore, any type of inflammation, bumps, I will also want to say probably a boil too, but do your homework, okay? Now 24 hydrocolloid, honey, whatever, okay, patches. Then they also have the wax strips for the face. This is chamomile, honey. Dollar Tree is moving and grooving, Now, Dollar Tree had brought these back. This is the hand sanitizer sprays. These are $1.25. This is a still deal like Holyfield. I had purchased, was it these? Honey, I done brought so much stuff from Dollar Tree. No, it was the pens that they had like these. Okay, so hand sanitizer spray, the green apple, watermelon, and lemon scented. The pens that they had, like it was hand sanitizer, recommend. A 10. I didn't buy these though, but it has the same exact fragrance. This is the fragrance is on fleek, okay, like the kids say. Okay, so to all the football fanatics, okay, Dollar Tree definitely have you covered. There in a place to be. If you are looking to host a game day party, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got you covered. Dollar Tree got trays for the chips and dips, which would be this. They have the buckets, 2 buckets for $1.25. They have the plates for the hot dogs and burgers, fries, chips. Honey, you get, 14 plates for $1.25. They have the tumblers. You get 6 for $1.25. They also have these 6 paper trays, $1.25. Really, really cool. Can coolers, $1.25. Balloon kits, $1.25. Flag banners, $1.25, that says game time. I know that's right. 3 swirl decorations, $1.25, with a football, the helmet, and another football. Letter banners that's gonna say touchdown, of course, because we touch down. Okay. Tissue centerpieces, $1.25. Table runners, anyone, $1.25. Plastic table covers, $1.25. Okay, so for cereal, let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. Mine's is definitely Fruity Pebbles. If one of these had to go, let me know which one would have to go. It would definitely have to be the cherry. I would say the Lucky Charms. I could do the Cheerios, but the Lucky Charms, I just couldn't get with Lucky, okay? I just couldn't get with them. Now, they have the Lucky Charms, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruity Pebble Cheerios, the Honey Nut Cheerios. Oh, so if I had to get rid of 2, it would definitely be these Cheerios, because they plain as Jane, and then the Lucky Charms. These are $1.25. Have you guys ever used this, the caramel syrup and the chocolate syrup? Let me know in the comment section if you used it. And if you have, let us know how it tastes. Okay, they also had the breakfast blend, 100% Arabic coffee light roast. This is new. Maybe they had it, but I never seen that before. $1.25. Now, these stackable bins, really, really good. Really good. They are $5. Honey, this is a 10. Recommend. Hands down. Good. Alright, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. And in due time, I get you guys on the next one. In between time. Peace.